Hey, Jonathan here. Quick video on what an acre is, kind of dividing up property, working with land. I think to start with, you have a township, which is 6 miles by 6 miles. And then within 1 square mile, which is called a section, is 640 acres. So if you are 1 mile by 1 mile, that is 640 acres. And then again, a township is 6 by 6 miles, made up of 36 sections. An acre is usually what it takes 1 man and 2 oxen to plow in a day. So that's originally where an acre comes from. An acre is 43,560 square feet. A lot of times you break that down into 660 feet by 66 feet. I think that has to do with some rods and other like kind of old measuring systems that really aren't used anymore. The important thing to note is that there are 640 acres in a square mile and 43,560 square feet to the acre. If you were to round this way down to like 40,000, if you round it way down to 40,000, you can approximate an acre by taking the square root of that and seeing it as 200 feet by 200 feet. That is a very rough approximation of an acre. An acre is a pretty big residential parcel, as is 200 feet by 200 feet. If you cut that in half this way, you are now 100 feet by 200 feet. Again, approximation. That's a half acre, still a big residential parcel. You cut that in half again to get a quarter acre, 100 feet by 100 feet. That's a quarter acre, still a pretty big residential parcel. Or you could split that in half again for 50 feet by 100 feet. That would be 1/8 of an acre, 50 feet by 100 feet. You see a lot of those parcels, in development. Again, approximating 43,000 down to 40,000, you're losing quite a few square feet, but just an overview of what city lots might look like, what an acre looks like, and then also what a square mile looks like. Okay, hopefully that was informative. Thank you for watching.